Hello everyone, welcome to my channel La Vida with Kim, and today guys I am so excited because I actually got a collab. I am collabing with Miss 𝓸𝓸𝓻𝓰 from 𝓸𝓸𝓷'𝓽 guys, and we actually got the same bag guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is a gorgeous bag guys. I'm not gonna lie, I did get a little sneak peek recently. Let me tell you a little bit of the backstory. So I actually saw this bag online guys, and it was like those Coach pictures, right? They're not all that good, and I was like, instantly when I saw it, it got my attention because it does have some stones on it, some blingy stones on it, but it is also denim. Are you getting the hint? Are you getting the hint what it is? And I instantly thought about Miss 𝓸𝓸𝓻, and I was like, I think she would love this bag too. So I sent her the pictures and I was like, I need the denim queen's opinion because I call her the denim queen guys. She got so many denim bags. Oh my gosh. Do you see these denim? You remember these? She got like the whole collection, okay? She is the denim queen to me, okay? I always tell her. And so I was like, okay, I need your opinion. And she's like, I need the bag. And I was like, I know, right? So we're like talking about the bag, and we're like, when it drops, we're gonna get it. We're thinking maybe like in a week or so, right? No, it dropped like literally that same day or the next day. I don't even remember, but it was like super close to when we had just started talking about it. And then so I was like, we need to get the bag, and I grabbed it and I was like texting her. I'm telling you guys all the cheese man. I was like texting her because it was like super late. I was like, wake up, because she wasn't texting me back. I was like, it's in stock. So anyways guys, she did miss out that badge that I got my bag from, but she was able to get it eventually, which is amazing because it did sell out guys. It sold out. It is such a gorgeous bag guys, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I did have to go to the store and pick up something. I don't know if I've done the unboxing yet, which video I'm gonna post first, but anyways, so I went to go pick up something and the bag was there. I got a glance at it. I didn't like stare at it, examine it, because I wanted to get the whole feel here, right? So I just looked at it for like 5 seconds and I was like, okay, I'm done. And I didn't even get to look at it that good because those stores are always so dim, so I was like, I'm gonna get a good look when my bag comes in. So I got the bag guys. We got the bag guys. We're gonna unbox it together. Oh my gosh guys, I can't wait to see her reaction guys, because this bag says Miss 𝓸𝓸𝓻 all over it, and I love it because of the bling guys. I love me some bling. So guys, let's unbox this bag. Oh my gosh, Miss 𝓸𝓸𝓻, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see your face when you see the bag. Oh my gosh, we are gonna love this bag. Oh my gosh. And let me know if you're getting it too or you got it. Let me know, okay? Okay guys, so here's the bag. I know I'm not happy that it did get shipped in a bag. I'm like, really? A bag? Like, send it to me in a box. I don't have to get messed up, okay? So here she is. Oh, it is from 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽, just letting you guys know. I don't know if by the time I post this they're gonna have it on the Coach website. I don't know, but I did get it from 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can go check it out. And sorry about the chirping birds, okay? It's just a nice day outside because it's been like raining nonstop, so they're all outside like chirping. So guys, let's open it. Guys, and I don't know, this bag is just gorgeous, okay? Just wait. Okay, you can't see anything. Okay, she's all wrapped up. That's a good sign though, even though she did come in a bag. So yeah, it's a lot going on in here. So this is actually no, I'm not gonna tell you. Let's just open it, okay? Oh my gosh guys, this bag is just gorgeous. Any guesses? I have to like hold her sideways. Okay guys, so she does have a strap, which is like huge right here. Oh my god, just keeps falling everywhere. Okay. Let me get this out of the way guys. I can't even show you. Hold on. Sorry, it's a lot. It's like paper falling everywhere. Okay, you guys ready? Oh my gosh, can you see it? Oh my gosh. Miss 𝓸𝓸𝓻! Oh my god, you're probably like screaming right now, right? Oh my gosh, guys. So they put like a little wrapping right here, I guess, for the crystals. Let me see, let me see. Do you see the bling? Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay, I'll tell you guys the cheese me right now. Hold on, hold on. How do you take this off? Not even because I don't have nails, I can take this off. Hold on, hold on. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at the bling on this bag. So this is, let me get it right. Hold on, guys. This is a Tabby crystal denim crossbody bag, guys. Look at this. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm not a huge like light denim fan, but for some reason I feel like the crystals on this work so nice. So nice, guys. So you can see the C here. Look at this. The chunkiness of the crystal is so beautiful. I love it. Let me remove this, guys. And I have to tell you guys, I think this would not work the same on like a dark denim, because look, so imagine that on that denim, right? It just doesn't, it doesn't stand out the way that this does. It's just, it works so perfectly, and it gives me like cowgirl vibes, like, you know, I don't know, country vibes. I don't know, that's what I'm getting. So let's take this off because there's more. Yes, there's more, guys. More crystals. Hold on, let me take this off. Also, yes, it has more crystals. Can you believe it? Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is a Tabby 26, if you are wondering. It does have a push lock, guys. Oh my god, I'm adding my little thumbnail in there. Do I need to say more, guys? This bag is just leaving me speechless, guys. And I'm not gonna lie, I did panic when I did see it, like for those 5 seconds in the store, because I saw it kind of looked like scratches, but it's not scratches. I think that's just the tone, I guess, on the crystal, the tone that they chose. Can you guys see it? It kind of looks like black spotting on it. So I think it's supposed to be like that. I think they are going for like that Western type of look, country girl. I don't know, guys, but I love it. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this bag. And then with the 𝓵𝓸𝓷'𝓽, yes, it has 𝓵𝓵𝓷𝓽. Let me show you the straps, because they're like hanging on for dear life right now. So here's the strap. I think it does come with 2 straps, so give me 1 second. So here's the strap. Like I said, it does come with 2, I believe. Yes, it does. It does. This is my first this style Tabby. Like I said, I just got my other style Tabby. I don't know, whatever, I just know they're Tabbies. So like I said, it does have 2 straps. It has like the shorter one, guys, right? The 𝓵𝓸𝓷 works perfect with this. Look at that. Just look how beautiful it looks, right? Removable, amazing. So you can choose or have both. It does have the adjustable strap, like that belt buckle style. Removable as well. Oh my gosh, guys, this bag is freaking gorgeous. Okay, gorgeous. I love it. It has a zipper pocket in the back, guys. It just works so well. I don't know, the tone of the 𝓵𝓸𝓷, it's not too light, it's not too dark. Like I said, I don't think this would have worked with dark denim. It just works so nicely like this. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Look at this. I know Miss Dee is probably drooling over there. This bag is just gorgeous. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. Look at the sides, the bottom. It comes with the Coach tag, guys. Look at that. Let's look at the inside. Let me take out all this paper real quick, okay? She does have her dust bag. No way in hell I'm returning this bag. This is here to stay. Okay, so she has 2 main pockets, one in the back, one in the front. She does have a little pocket in here as well. Let me pop her open. Let me see. These are little info tags. The other pocket has the little history tag. And then she has a pocket right here in the front too. Look at that. So total 2 main compartments and then 2 little pockets in here, and then the pocket in the back. So this is a back pocket. Yeah, here's a pocket. Like I said, I am gonna do an up close look of this bag because she is so freaking beautiful. Right now she's hanging on for dear life because of straps. Oh my gosh, hold on, let me attach these real quick. So I just added them like whatever, but guys, oh my god, this bag is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. She does have like a little bit of a sloucher, which is beautiful as well. Look at that, you can see it kind of slouching. She's so squishy. Look at that. Oh my gosh, guys, this bag is just freaking gorgeous. I saw there is gonna be quite a few different tabbies dropping soon. Like, I don't know if they're like limited edition, but very like particular tabbies. But this is the one that just stole my attention. This is the one that I wanted to share with you, Miss 𝓸𝓷𝓻, as well, because I felt like it just said Miss 𝓸𝓷𝓻 all over it, and I was like, she needs this bag, and you did. You got it. Oh my god, I can't wait to see you unboxing it, guys. Just look at this bag. She just literally leaves me speechless. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love this bag. I'm so happy we were able to snag one. Let me know if you're getting one now that you've seen it. Did you know about it? You already have it at home? Let me know, let me know. Oh my gosh, guys, love it, love it, love it, love it. When I go to Texas, Miss 𝓸𝓷𝓻, who knows, maybe pretty soon, I'm taking this bag. I'm taking this bag, guys. It's gorgeous, so we can be twinsies. So yeah, guys, oh my gosh, love it. I love it, guys. I'm not gonna get tired of saying I love it. I've told you guys, now I'm only getting bags that I love. If I like it, I can move on, but I have to love this bag, and this is definitely a bag that I love. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan of light denim, but it just works so well with the 𝓭𝓸𝓷𝓽, the crystals, the light denim. Gorgeous. Coach, you did an amazing job with this bag. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my gosh, guys, I love it. Guys, go check out Miss 𝓸𝓷𝓻's video as well. Oh my god, I can't wait to see her video. I'm gonna go watch it right now after this. Guys, go watch it as well. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see her reaction. Gorgeous, guys, just gorgeous. I just can't say that enough, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe if you have not. If you already did, thank you so much. If you are coming here from Miss 𝓸𝓷𝓻's channel, thank you so much. If you are going from here to Miss 𝓸𝓷𝓻, let's go together, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me a little lovely comment down below. Let me know what you think. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh my gosh, Miss 𝓸𝓷𝓻, I'm obsessed.